Next movement, golden rooster, stands on one leg. From parting the hands, we sit back. We will turn towards the original direction of the form and stand on the left leg. Drop the right leg and stand on the right leg. Let's have a look at it again. Sit back, twist to the direction of beginning, open a left step and shift the weight on the left leg. Sit back and shift the weight to the right leg. We look at it again, how the legs work. Sit back, twist the right foot, bring the left through the center and open a left step. Shift the weight and lift the right leg. Drop the right leg and lift the left.